Hey guys, what's up? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great way to remove unwanted facial hair permanently in few days. Now the result is very amazing. The result is visible and the result is actually permanent, like not permanent till everlasting. The hair is going to come out, but not that much. Okay, so if you're actually experiencing, your hair is actually coming out fast, this actually would help you to reduce your hair follicles, removing the hair gently, and also making your skin glow and pop up really good. Alright, so the very first ingredient we're going to be making use of is tomato. Now tomato contains an ingredient that helps so much to remove unwanted hair on the skin. It actually melts off the hair on your skin, leaving your skin really smooth, yeah, and it also delays the growth of a new hair on your skin, literally. So if you're actually going to be using this treatment, you are rest assured that it does two things for you. It helps to remove the hair, and it helps to reduce your hair growth. That is why you must apply this ingredient on those places in which you do not need hair anymore. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create it. Now you can either create this or you blend it. Whichever way is convenient for you is perfect. Okay, so a reasonable quantity of this tomato is okay. Okay, so here I have my tomato paste. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient, which is very important for hair removal also and for a smooth skin, is sugar. Now the sugar part is that it's going to help to smoothen out your skin. Now when you use this, rub it, it's going to help to prevent bumps. Okay, so while the hair is actually removing, it's going to prevent bumps. It's going to prevent your skin from darkness and all of that. Okay, so we're going to be putting about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this sugar. And after that, you carefully mix this up the whole very much. Yeah. After that is done, you're equally going to be needing rice powder. Now rice powder is actually helpful in case those places that you have those unwanted hair, there are darkness there. Okay, so rice powder is going to help to actually lighten up your skin in those areas. While you apply this, it's going to help to lighten up your skin really well, because rice powder contains an ingredient that helps so much to rejuvenate the skin, make the skin glow, and it also helps to lighten up the skin and removing all blemishes. So I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon first of all and stir it to see the consistency, how it's going to be like. Okay, so I'm going to be putting half tablespoon. That is going to be 1.5 tablespoon of rice powder into this treatment. And yeah, the consistency is now perfect. And then you stir up really good. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is very perfect here, is lemon. You know that lemon is citric in nature, and as such it helps so much when it comes to bumps, when it comes to, you know, roughness on the skin, when it comes to darkness. So it helps so much to remove darkness. So I have this half cup of lemon, which I've not finished pressing out the juice, so I'm going to be pressing out a reasonable quantity of lemon juice into this ingredient, and that's perfect. So we're not going to be needing too much of lemon juice in here. And after that is done, we're going to stir this up a lot. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna be applying this treatment on my face and on the spots in which I have some unwanted hair, and how effective this is going to be. Okay guys, so this is me, and for your unwanted hair remedy, so I actually kept it for a little while and let it get thickened the more, and this is how it looks like. It looks really amazing and I love it. Now you have to only apply this ingredient on those places in which you actually do not want hair anymore, okay? Don't apply it on the places that you want hair to be there, only on those places that you don't want hair, okay? Like this place. So I have my mirror here and I'm going to be looking at the mirror while doing that. So some people actually experience unwanted hair at their jaw. Some women, you know, since it's actually not a norm for a woman to have hair around here and also around this place, so you would have to rub this to get rid of it. You have to rub it in a generous form. Wherever you don't want hair, you have to apply. All those places that you don't want hair, if you have hair around the side, okay, you just spread this thing around. You just spread it around everywhere, just like this. Okay guys, so this is how I'm looking like. Now even if you are a guy and you actually also want to use this remedy, you can also use this remedy to remove all of those unwanted hair on your face, on your chest, okay? So this is one amazing hair removal remedy, and for this particular ingredient, okay, you can't actually store it for so long because of the rice powder. It's going to thicken, like it's going to go solid anyway, so you don't have to store it for so long. Even if you want to store it, that's to be, you know, for 3 days, and you're going to be applying this treatment for 3 days. Just early in the morning when you want to take your bath, you would apply this treatment and then leave it, let it, you know, dry a little bit, and then you would have to, you know, wash it out, or you would have to clean it up, you know, first of all before you wash it out. Okay, now before you actually leave it on, I would recommend, because of the people who want to get rid of dark spots on their on those places in which you have hair, you will have to first of all, you know, scrub it in a circular form like this, like that. Just a very mild and gentle scrub. Okay, so after which you scrub it, just leave it on, let it sit there and dry. Now when it is dry, then you use a towel plus warm water or cool water, however you want your water to be. Okay, you just use your towel and then you just clean it all up. Okay, you first of all clean it. Now as you clean it this way, you're gonna be seeing the hair, you know, coming out from your skin. Like you're gonna be seeing the hair on your towel. Okay, you're gonna do this for 3 days and your hair is totally gonna be gone. Now the good thing about this is that it's going to actually delay the growth of a new hair. Okay, so that's actually the good thing about this particular ingredient. Okay, so you know, clean it up, and immediately you clean, you're going to be noticing that your skin is going to be soft, it's going to be lighter. Okay, okay. Very soft. Okay, so after you've cleaned, you must have to also wash your face off, and then repeat this for 3 days, and you're going to see that all of the hair around those places in which you don't want hair, if you don't want hair on your hands, just apply this and it's literally going to go off, and it's going to take a longer time to come back. That's the good thing about it. Okay guys, I'll see you again in another video. Let me go wash my face, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share. Bye.